Hey guys, what's up? Miss Pooh here with Jalen. Look at his sleepy head. Actually, it wasn't that bad. I know. It was worse. He knocked out. We were supposed to be watching a movie. Next thing you know, he sleep within 3 minutes of the movie. Just wanted to show you guys. He say he don't be snoring. Listen. Alright, good night. We out.